Kevin, we're gonna do the country vlog the way the country's meant to be. On top of a horse. We left the car, the traffic, the beeping all in the city, and we're doing it the country way. Our first stop, Mountain Square Mall. Kevin, if I'm doing the country vlog, wie ze do Eden is medease daar. Door ons de vlog gaat me liken sex. Medease logos are in the video. It's gonna be there, hiding somewhere, whether it's on a car, on the horse, on an item. You better look at the video very carefully. But when die treffs the medease logo, mach a screenshot. Schick us around today's number. The first 100 people that send in the screenshot of the medease logo throughout the video, guide it on the goidel for a real electric medease car. Nicht für Tatis, aber für Kinder. Für deine Kinder, a real electric car was für medease. Kevin, lass mal reingehen, du in Taam Eden. Taam Eden known for their specialty, their cakes, especially the milchige items. Taam Eden, jeder weiß, they're known for it to be the best of the best. Wo ist der Wetter in draußen? Hast du einen Ofen mit der Olympic darauf, upstate? Ich verstehe dich. The Kubot Shabbos darf es an Shine Ingrid. Nor but Taam Eden. Kevin now, Vrumi is going to show us what the climax of Taam Eden is at. Vrumi? Oh my goodness, this is the famous chimney cones. This is where it happens. Wow!
Taam, how about we teach you how to make chimney cones?
Me?
We can use some help.
Let's see it.
Make it.
Okay.
Now you start rolling.
Oil, Kevin, mach ein bisschen Klebe dick.
Yeah.
Nice and sweet, Kevin. Okay, du hast mir nun frische Vanille-Rogele. Warum? This is the real deal. Keep me schnattes, du. Warum? I could try it, but I don't promise you it's gonna be straight. Kevin, the challenge is on. It's a good, nein? Kevin, kick auf es. Kemat also wie him. Very similar. Noch dem geht man a roll, nein? Man Rogele. Warum? Ja? Guinness World Record, certified, the best Rogele in Taam Eden. Wow, Kevin, get back kick of the crunch, kick of the color, the golden color. Sicker Z's. Lass mal so aufheben. Das rausnehmen. Kevin, of wie süß is, we always want it to be sweeter. Let's go. Mehr thicker. From all your milk items, what's the most going item?
Very tough question. It's like picking your favorite child. I don't think we can answer that.
Aber ein item was geil the meeste.
Carrot cheesecake is very popular.
Carrot cheesecake?
Yeah.
Carrot cheesecake. The cannolis. Kevin is with the cannolis or something else. Get back with the cannolis. Now I know why. Mendel, wie gehen Kinder spielen?
Was ist die Schale? Hoopla!
No, Kinder, der Tat ist auch it.
Jeder einer.
Let's go, let's check inside Hoopla, Kevin. Hoopla für jedem. Boom. Brand new renovated. With machines, with arcades. This is gonna be awesome. Gewinnen.
Let's
Kevin, the challenge is on. If I get 5 in a row in, you guys followers have to give me something. Oh, okay, let's start again. Okay. Now for real, let's start one more time. Give me one more try. 1, 2. Don't look, cut that. 3, don't look again. 3, 4, okay? 5! We did it, guys. You gotta give me something. Guess what the Tatas? Get the toys. They get the Tatas, davon get the toys, dude. I think this is better than all the rides over here. Yeah! Jonas is trying to promote doch exercise. Guy, mach ein bisschen exercise. Guy. Schneller. The quicker you bike, the quicker it goes. Shuli zoekt mich, als deze komt from Germany. It's a brand new item. Kevin, so you actually roll the ball. You feel like you're actually playing in the desert. Kevin, kijk wie groß is. Wie veel arcades zijn er doen? Van Iraqis, you racing cars, puppet, bowling, basketball, racing cars. I feel like I'm not a prize, but let me try. Most places, you never win this. In Hoopla, your chances are very high. Let's try. It doesn't matter. Over here, you win so much. Wer darf die kleine Dolls? Du die riesige Dolls, du. Also groß wie dem. Wer wagt daheim mit dem? You don't need the small ones. Kick the prizes, Kevin. A selection. Get the Geschmack of prizes for deine Kinder. Wow. These bumpy cars just came today.
Oh, wow.
At the end of the day, it's going to be up and running. The Kinder gaan do bumpen and hacken sticken do.
Wow.
Lass mal lang do in the dome. This is the icon von Hoopla upstate. Wow. The dome. Komm mal kurz setzen. Okay, the next is so out of me. Missläuft. Where you guys heading today?
Kasakava.
Kasakava. Kevin, can I join you? Let's go, guys. Kasakava. Here we have the manager. What is your name?
Shai Danziger.
Shai Danziger. No way, you're Yoli's brother? Wusste nice! Shout out to Yoli. Passaic, they came all the way from Passaic, New Jersey to Kasakava. Like there's no pizza stores in Passaic?
This is the best. This is the best.
Oh, they had to say that. All right, guys, get involved over here. What are you ordering today, peoples?
Regular slice.
Regular slice. I'm gonna challenge you guys, okay? We're gonna do a little challenge over here. If you guys win the challenge, it's on the house, okay? Guys, here's the challenge. You guys are gonna count from 1 to 10, okay? If you get from 1 to 10 without knocking into each other 2 numbers, you'll hop in a minute. Then it's all on the house, on me, all right? We're gonna make you guys close your eyes. All eyes shut, close your eyes. We're gonna mix you guys up a little. You stand over there. You stand over here. You stand over here. Hey, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. All right, remember, you guys got from 1 to 10, you're on the house. It has to take under 20 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3,
4.
5.
Oh, they both said 5. Game over. You guys are paying for your own food. But it's worth to pay for your own food here in Kasakava. Get back here with the Essen, do. Look at these calzones, garlic nuts. Look at the pies over here. Anything? Let's check, Kevin. Get back kick. What's guy Tarandu? All right, I wanted to make a pie. I wanted to throw it up in the air, all right? I grew up and the guys used to throw it in the air and spin it in the air. I wanted you to do that. But nobody does it today anymore. Those were the best days. They used to take it and toast it in the air. All right, you ready? Kevin's gonna be hot. Ooh! One more, even higher. You hit the roof.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna be machaba with the sauce, all right? We're gonna sauce it up, Kevin, a little over here. I like a lot of sauce, so we're gonna put a lot of sauce on this. A bisschen noch sauce. The one likes it real saucy. Get back kick. Can the shrimp in the sauce? Cheese it up. It's gonna be an extra cheese pie. Is it too much sauce?
Yeah,
Can we put some vegetables on it? Get back kick, you shine, macht das du. You get the vegetables. Get back kick, the plasma can do sitzen. Du genick noch, man kommt mit der ganzen Mischbuche. A viele Matze Shabbos nach mir. Ist du genick Platz du für jeder eine. Da chuve du, high roof, Geschmack. Okay, nine, it's not good. That's not the way you're supposed to do it? Oh boy, it's a longer pizza though. Was it? It's not the way you do it?
Not at all.
Oh boy, I guess I need some more training before I bake pizza again.
It'll be a good one for the customers.
So they're gonna get a big pizza over there. Kevin, 38-inch pizza coming out. I always love that sizzle when you put the fries in. Slushies for the Kinder, alle meine flavors, soup. Razzles. Wer hat nicht lieb Razzles? You have to treat your bunk. You have to treat your whole camp. This place hat genick Platz für the ganze camp. Min katsch krassende Puppe zusammen. This is the place, Kasakava, here by the Monticello Mall, Kevin. Du hast mir Volvi von Heritage Silver. Man kann du heranstappen bei Heritage. Und lass mir sehen, was Volvi hat du gebracht to the country. Volvi! Shalom Aleichem, congratulations. Mazel tov, a nice tour, dude. Catskills has you, they're so lucky.
Baruch Hashem, Baruch Hashem.
Volvi, what's the nice do hand?
Du haben wir gekommen in the mountains. Haben wir gekommen in the letzte paar Wochen jeder Beit und man setzt sich auf mit einer neuen Value Collection für the mountains. Versteht sich, man kann kaufen Pure Silver auch, aber du in the mountains kannst du für Kleingeld, ein paar $100, ein Becher als Altsmeisel, ein Napkin oder a shine flat napkin oder a huge selection für alle Preisen, Bechers.
Gib mir einen Preis, was kostet das?
Der identical Becher du in Pure Silver kostet es $2,000. This is silver filled, it is $5.99. Hast du Bechers mit Covers, Wischnitzer Bechers, Bechers mit a Glue, Zanze Bechers, mit Gold. Kijk on, als Becher wie dem, sees deze du? Das ist a modern collection, silver and gold. They set $449.
No way.
Yeah, under $500. $449. Mid the tray, mid the cover, $795.
Wow. This is gorgeous.
This is the tray.
Beautiful.
My machronim, sai regular my machronim sprays. Deze bechers for the guest. Modern bechers, $100-$200 mid the tray. Da doet man ook eens a Shabbos-tisch, auf a low scale. Lachter, tats, matchbox, Sudoku box. Budweiser's guide Zayir get in the mountains. $150. Likes around do a poor roses, or any type of flowers. Menschen kaufen von dem zwei, man legt das auf den Tisch. Wine holders, flower vases, challah and so on. Du hast die candlesticks. Einer will sich aufsetzen mit Schein, mit Lachters. Will nicht von der Voll, 12 will nicht, weil will nicht so sein, hat nicht so viel Platz. Zwei von dem, die jetzt hinter den Tea Candles.
Item kommt.
Man legt daraus als eins für the couple, das ist $249. Du hast die Scheine Weinflasche, für einer will eine Scheine Weinflasche, a Grape Juice Bottle alter, du gehst an die ganze Bottle Grape Juice.
Die ganze Bottle geht
Ja,
durch?
kick on. Du gehst an eine Kette an Bottle, machst das auf. Also,
No way.
gehst a Klicker an.
That is so cool.
And this do cost $11.95.
Wow.
Du gehst an eine ganze Bottle Wein. Inter $1,000. Du hast die Shine Wine Holders. Das ist der Original, was Heritage ist, Rose kommen Juden zurück. Ja. Du hast die Cutlery Holders. Anzulegen der Esszeig bei der Sida, stutz fliehen, legst dann an der Bottle Wein, kannst gießen mit dem, siehst? Du gießt mit dem. Nice, fällt nicht raus, geht sich ein Lack, das ist $4.99. Instead of bringen jede Woche beim sich waschen, riefen die Kind, bring ein Messer, man bringt das schmutzige Messer von der Sink. Hast du a full selection von Messers, kannst du mal Messer für $100 range. Silver filled, it's nice. And this is the very, very famous traveling kit, was is eigentlich gewesen pure silver, was Flake kosten berg $1,500. Today's market, a traveling set cost $3,000. Aber es ist gemacht in silver filled, $9.99.
$9.99 für die ganze Set.
Bekommst du a Messer, a Salzmessel, a Napkin holder, a Becher mit a Tats, 2 Tea Candle holders mit a Matchbox. In the Male von es ist compact, und kannst du so scheine weglegen. So liegt bin you in the country as a shine.
Was du musst jede Woche an der Platz für Shabbos. Und dann
So
mit Hotels.
Some Zara customers haben das Food mit in the suitcase, eine Food in Florida, nimmt es mit, and of course yes in the mountains. Tabak Pishke, kommst around a shield, in the mountains.
Die bist du die machst du dem
Hast a Zara shine piece von dem silver filled, $120, $120, aber kommst es delivered mit Tabak. Du hast die shine Hadassah vases, Kovet Shabbos, $500, Hadassah vases. Du allem kauft anyways Hadassah, might as well soll es liegen shine.
Wo ich will suchen etwas. Die hast da aufgebringt, die Kovet Shabbos auf eine hechere
Baruch
Stadt.
Hashem, Baruch Hashem.
It's unbelievable.
Zazichia.
Menschen mit plastic, mit paper, mit plastic knives. You bore up Shabbos,
Baruch Hashem.
heilig, und Shabbos am
Lass me dich wasen, the best-selling candelabras for the country, for the mountains. This is modern, Menschen haben eine Zayir lieb in the Catskills. As ans wie dem, it's available in alle numbers. Pure silver is around $7,000. These doing silver filled is $2,095, $2,100 for a Sechser.
This is a modern piece.
Saira shine modern piece, and nicht auf Kasachplatz.
Volvi, this is out of the world.
Ich kauf für den Kimmen.
Wo sind die Schuhe du?
In sind wir offen am Erzshem during the summer jeden Tag. Sintig von 12 bis 7 am Erzshem. Von Montag bis Donnerstag ist von 11 bis 7 am Erzshem. Freitag von 10 bis 2 am Erzshem. Versteht sich, looking forward to serving you all. Ich will try am Erzshem do zusammen most of the days during the summer.
Danke.
Erzshem.
Gevere, Heritage is here to serve you all summer long. Shkoich Volvi!
Shkoich für den Kimmen. Thank you.
Mine. Schmilli, what's that he's doing in the mountain wall? Schmilli.
Der Sim hat sich schon angefangen oder noch nicht?
Die bist ungekommen, das ist du. Kick the crispy tits. You just came from a restaurant. How is it still clean, Schmilli?
Ist nicht den ganzen.
Anyway, Schmilli, it's so good to see you here. The summer vibe mit den Tits, Schmilli, Landau live. Gevere, du sind bei Toys for You mit Kette zusammen. Moishe, nehmen sie ran, du. Let's go. Was ist denn alles? Lass mich stein, sie geht zusammen die Toys mit den Surem.
Ja.
Zoek ze me kent zo'n toy das Spiegel, maar Alfai
So beginnen so, beide zusammen. Zeg. Zijn sommige schema arrangement alle Zitzen. Das darf nicht gehen, alles hat Menschen.
Zoek ze in de country met me schmutzig met de tits dat zagen. Dat begon spelen sports, dat man jeden Tag een nieuwe pool. Dann crispy mit shine.
Nicht für Schiffe, Chassidische Schiffe, alle Babatschiffe.
Is de country, is de jede minder.
That's it, sag jede min Zitzes. Selbe Sache, kiek dort in der Kappel, aber hoch selbe Sache. Alle Sorten. Alle die Scheine, du, des, du, kiek. Dit is dan van dich, dus.
Is wat der Schiff. Deze van mij, maar deze van mij. Dat is schieven kappelig. Svoerem.
Alles voor hem ongestakt, sedierem, gemoeshem, alle soorten. Jede soort gemoeren. Alle Sachen von den Kindern, de Brucken, de Beschneisen, de Gemoeres, wo's bedarf. Alle meine lederne Sachen. Kleine, große. Auf ein ganz Jahr.
Wow.
12 to 5 and the Zimmer is from 11 to 8.
11 to 8. Okay, lass mal die betanzen du. Zieh de books, the games. Jede type of book, comics,
neue Sachen und die seasonal Sachen liegen du. Ja. Nägelwasserschüssel, auch alles so, kleine Größe.
Aber nur.
Die alle Sachen, die heißt,
Bechsamusen, Schaschke.
alles die laminated Sachen. Und das habe ich meidlich kommen von Camps. Weiß darf man vielleicht an Nummern, darf man die kleine Sedieren, die Tennis, alles muss sitzen.
Lass mal gehen, du für die Games, alle meine Games, alle Start Games.
Du hast dir eine Sache, was Jossi hat ausgegeben. Kinderlich, die Kleine mit der Größe.
Gevere, I want to give a shout out to Yossi, was het machen, gewinnen Claudius through. Schmiedi mit Schambrem, Madu Khabib mit Khawairem, Police mit der Fireman. Sei geht Yossi. Kala covered.
Alle Summer Items liegen du, so umgehen von Helmets, Bubbles, Neckfans, Racket Sprinklers, Goggles, alle Sachen für Schwimmen, für alle Pools, alle solche Sachen. Es ist auch noch mehr Bubbles, das alle Sachen für Bikes. Später kommst du ran zu der Doll-Section. Alle Dolls, geht es auch Business so. Alles ist Dolls, Dolls, Dolls.
I do the echte dolls. They look like the real deal over here. Wow.
Yes.
Weißt, man kann es was posten am Move haben, echte Baby, du.
Du musst die ganze Wand über Playmobil. Alle Sachen für Playmobil.
Beautiful.
De Mitzwe-Kinder, met de Yiddish dag, weißt du,
Shine.
Baby games, alle cars.
So my Kim do can get here, they gaan over naar Tuk shopping do. The kinder gaan was happy.
In speziell in Sommer $1.49 section. 10 items. Haben wir
sehen.
du. Die ganze Film, du, alles das, alles business so.
Die ganze Wand $1.49.
Alles $1.49 per item.
Gevre, heeft ze ook de red weten doen. $1.49 item. Maar madder, ik wil kopen van zijn bank prizes.
Alles.
Arosh maar die gaan kopen van de ganze camp prizes. Kim maar aan doen. Als du alle mine, ik heb een kick. Kijk dat smartje doen.
Das sind alle arts and crafts.
Halb de studios in draußen, country style.
Jumpers, weiß man, gaat schwimmen, de Puddle Jumpers. Die alle Sachen, du, ist $1.49. Das speziell, das ist wichtig. Es gibt 10 kleine games in each box, $1.49 a box.
Alle voor met zijn game. Dit is een goed te beginnen.
Hindertaf am Ohr.
Jeder game komt ons bij 10 cents. Hallo? Hallo?
Alles $1.49. Alles $1.49.
In de laatste spelen waar iemand zijn job is. This is the ball. Let's go. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3. You're out!
Da gaan ze range fully whoops.
Is Arabic? Als klein kind vleeg ik deze team. Still works, you think? Let's try it. Well, ik heb hit the ball. We're gonna try it. Doe gaaf. 1, 2, 3, go. It's not for our age. Give up. Dat is een aangewoon wusste van in zijn age, was niet van in zijn age. Tischebal benkelig.
Nein, das ist eigentlich ein sehr billiger Chess. $7.49 a Bankel.
Zijn voor een bekel?
Für alle Kinder, für alle Sachen.
Wer kann vergessen, du, the bikes? Bikes?
Alle bikes.
You don't sell scooters?
Scooters do.
Nee, ik ga van electric scooters.
Nein.
Dat is goed lille. Paar is te roifie.
Type van 26 inch, gaat er op 24, 20. Weer gaat 20 inch regular.
Alle age bikes, alle age kinderen. Jeder age, jeder zo. Vind de kleine, ja. Wow, deze is nostalgic. Wie gedenkt this niet? We grew up on this. I missed that. Kleine zwart, wow. Very nice. Gevere, cat and toys for you together here at the Mountain Mall. Kim eraan, zoek ik van mij dit mooie. And make sure die kent in de hula hoop en de kimst. Gevere, doe ga maar met die Home Square. This is the #1 hardware store for all your appliance and home needs in the country. Lovaranga do is located right behind the Mountain Square Mall. Go on it. No, seriously, it's good. It's Amish horse. Amish horses are the best horses. Here we go! So we have the officer here that wants to test drive my car. So we're gonna give him a chance to test drive my car. Officer Rodriguez, how you enjoying it up there? Kevin, I know for sure I'm not getting a ticket this summer in Monticello. I'm good. Didn't have anything there? Kevin, let me not check and do the Home Square. Couldn't go, Kevin. If the guys came to the bungalow, you must make a stop here. A couch, a recliner, a bed, a crib, a tisch, benkelig. Alles hast du zu Oosterfielen in dat bungalow. Ik was gewoon ausgemacht. I would love to take a nap over here, but ik daarvoor in water. Maar de recliners zijn comfortable, de smaak. Wow. Okay, dan moet ik voor de water doen. So hast du gerade auf the corner, du hast een cellphone store. Let's give a shout out to the Diamond cellphone store. Du alle cellphone accessories mit cellphone service, SIM cards, alles das war cellphone. So, this is #1. Laat me voor de water alle electronics, dus dat dishes, right? Wir kommen zu the bungalow, cups, dishes, alles was ihr darfst für the bungalow. Liners, pots, pans, a mini Home Depot, gleich durch haben wir. Jeder weiß man darf containers. What's the country without containers, right? Alles is all about the containers for the Kinder, for the Bucheren, for camps, for countries. Everything is about containers. And to do stack from ceiling to floor, containers. Früher hab ich angeschlafen, I didn't wake up on time. So Schlafzeigers do. Okay? You gotta wake up on time. Alle meine Zeigers. Jeder Bungalow kommt mit der Schmeck. Even the nicest summer home kommt mit der Schmeck. Hast du diffusers, alle Sorten, alle types, everything you need. Nägelwasser. Sedaim. Wie kann man umkommen mit alles do? There's so much going on. We have brooms, dustpan, spritzes. Suitcases, right? Einer will fahren zu Marokko, lassen wir sagen, mit Eddie Friedenmann. Und fährt raus von der Country, wir sind mitnehmen ein Suitcase. Die Frauen haben lieb zu walken auf the walks, in the country, mit der größten Wasserbad. Like, they don't finish past here. There's the meeting, we walk to them with this. It looks good. Scotch tape, in case you want to play yes, no. Up and do scotch tape, sie tanzen a little bit the line. Gevere, wie geht mir wat? Oh, the mikve. It's covered, it's protected, it's rein. Look at this water. It's a sach cleaner, wie a sach bequus du upstate. Kick the Wasser. Spugel rein, ehrlich schein. They take care of it, it's do a net. Home Square, right behind Mountain Mall. Right behind the Mountain Square Mall. Hast du alles, was du das für dein Bungalow. But I must take a for 1 second, Gevere, because I think I missed one thing. I forgot to point out. Air conditions. Okay, this is a Sach. It's noch so heißen draußen. The weather's still nice, but the guy to give me the heat wave when you're not ready for it, okay? And then we'll should see speak, they're gonna be sold out. Kim jetzt, kauf an the air conditioner. I feel it's a kill by night. That day's gonna come. Guys under 100 degrees, and the guys schwitzen. Air conditions, 14,000 BTU, 10,000 BTU, alle stars, alle types. Make sure you pick it up over here. Gevre, they're waiting for you. Gevre, noch eins, man kann alles bestellen auf WhatsApp. 845-685-6000. Noch einmal, 845-685-6000. Schick out WhatsApp and it's delivered. Kevin, I'm here with Yossi. Tonight, they're putting out the first shawarma, schnitzel, and sesame chicken for summer 2026 season. Yossi, you ready?
Yes, let's go, guys.
Kevin, at Prime Avenue here by the Mountain Square Mall. Get my kick. Look at this space over here. Beautiful space. Prime Avenue, grill and bar, Chinese cuisine. You are going to have a summer with South Fallsburg like you never saw before. Look at the seating. Every night it's going to be packed. Kevin, let's see the first schnitzel sandwich come out for summer 2026. There it is. The burger's on the grill. Kevin, they literally opened 5 minutes ago. Everybody's still waiting over here. Nobody got fed yet because the first one's being made right now. Hummus is homemade.
We just made it like 2 minutes ago.
Wow, fresh hummus. Look at the fried onions over here. Look at the salads over here, all ready for the schnitzel sandwiches. Kevin, you can't get more fresh. This is the first burger of summer 2026. Coming out in a couple of minutes for all the customers that are waiting inside. Here we have the first schnitzel of the summer. Kevin, the first schnitzel of the summer over here. Coming out for 2026. The South Fallsburg is going to be hundreds of schnitzels coming out of this deep fryer. Hundreds and thousands.
Oh man. First sesame chicken, guys.
Guys, first sesame chicken of the season. Here we go. That's the first customer getting this tonight. First shawarma being made right here, right now. This is how shawarma is made. You take a big steak, you put on a schnitzel with the sauce, with the shawarma spice, and boom!
Yep, guys.
Look at this tune. Oh my goodness, look how much meat is in there. Beschut Rabbi Nachman Meumann, Beschut Rabbi Akiva, Beschut Rabbi Yochanan Azakai, Beschut. Look at that. We're making some more sesame chicken. What is this over here, Maze?
This is gonna be for the beef lo mein.
Beef lo mein in the house.
The beef. Look, yes.
Kevin, there's nothing like fresh pastrami on the grill. Almost like enough to tell it, do. Somebody's getting tonight a portion of fresh pastrami on the grill. Oh my goodness. Yechiel Krot is here. Look at this guy, Yossi. Yossi.
Oh, wow.
He's here tonight. He knows where he... Come here, Yechiel.
How are you?
This guy is the best guy out there. Yechiel Krot. He's going to be here a lot. Mention Perlowitz for free schnitzel.
Absolutely.
Oh, come here. Boy, this is the first one, right?
First burger, go ahead.
This is the first burger coming out for summer 2026. Look at that. Tell me what's going on in there.
Okay, so this is a fresh made burger bun. We just made this morning.
You made the buns fresh.
The fresh made burger buns came in, and then we have fresh checked lettuce, fresh sliced tomatoes. We cut the tomatoes with hand.
Hand cut.
And
you want it to be good.
And then we have the pickles. Then you have the fresh
Onions.
onion, the burger, and pastrami.
Oh my goodness. Enjoy. The season started with you. Look at the seating over here. Look at the seating. There's enough for a whole entire camp to come here and not be stopped. They can come enjoy spacious seating and outdoors.
Outdoor seating will be available for the public at July 4th.
July 4th. Have a look at the
July
outdoor
4th.
seating over here. It's going to be set up beautiful under this lighting. It's going to be something out of the world. Yossi, what's the hours every day?
Okay, the hours every day from 11 a.m. until 1 a.m.
11
Every day,
to-
Monday to Thursday. Thursday, open till 2 a.m. But Shabbos until 2 a.m. Sunday until 2 a.m. as well.
Kevin, come down here. Ooh, Yossi Chazak. Can't wait, I can't wait. Yossi, you also have a very good line over here so we can play the yes-no game. I'll talk to you about it at a different time. Kevin, a big game coming over here. Yechiel, it looks like you're ready for a good meal. Aber wenn die ersten 2 Burgers, machst du eine illegal extension auf sich. Aber, erheben mit der Slanded. Wenn du nimmst das Schatz von Slanded, bist du schon viel noch 1. In, du verliest Wog, wenn du esst. Yechiel, the model for them is, it never goes up in price, it's the cheapest in the line, and you talk to the doctor every single week about your health. So you're not stop buying from a company, the vice versa, and say, was lender, that's a doctor, the doctor talks to you, highly recommended by Dr. Ray, and Dr. Inslich, was in 2 Mimchim, mit Skinski Weight Loss Shots. Nimm es und bleib gesinnt. Mit Appetit. Du kommen uns my favorite, Landau's Grocery, South Fallsburg. Mein Chaver, mein Yiddish, wo suchst du auf mein Pferd, du? Der Pferd hat lieb, mein Schlomke hat lieb Shavite. Moshe Lezer, is anyone do, kommen mein Pferd allein. The car we lost in Butter Park, we do it the country way. Jeder enjoyed Landau's Grocery, it is the center of the country. In South Fallsburg, is allemaal door op Crash Finn, the Nunnery. Moshe Lezer, die meisten können reinkommen mit der Pferd. Leibi, der weiß hat sehr lieber, gibt den Milkshake. Hast du etwas für ihn?
What do you think he goes for? Caramel, peanut butter, Dubai?
Lass mich fragen. Fragen.
Sis, what do you think? What's after? What milkshake? Help the wrong one is. Toite Bankis.
Für die Kinder hat man am Tag du. Kevin, Landau's Grocery ist der einzige Store, was offen a ganz Jahr in South Fallsburg. I don't think we're gonna make it in together with the horse. Ich habe mir davon ruggein. Ich hoffe, dort mit Moichel sein, and let's jump inside over here. Du hast die Zeit. Für Landau's, die schmacken am Tag du. Du hast die Tzadikim, du hast die Tzadikim. Du hast die Kinder. Du hast die Tzadikim. Lass mal reingehen in Landau's Grocery. Koin kom uit doen met de Notary. Geef maar kijken op de nis doen. Frische nis. Ik ga maar doen. De gevre man doen. We stemmen kijken. Film me gewoon een ganze bag doen van de gitter nis. Wat is de beste nis doen met die hast? Kijk wie een chef is met de chef level. De gitter. Heet de kracht. Kijk de selection van brood doen van Crave. En zie je dit. Van Crave. Sourdough. We did a beautiful vlog. They have an awesome crunchy sourdough challah. Full bakery selection over here. Jetzt haben wir die Ess in Fress Geschmacke Cake Lukova Shabbos. Motto Shabbos is nem a slender shot. So die Ess unacheshben after Shabbos comes. When Frucht kommt for refresh, you know it's good fruit. Give it the ripeness when the oranges do. Give it the bloody oranges. Refresh kommt, refresh red. Give it the produce do. They used to get produce over here. What do you say to the fresh produce over here, Björn?
It looks fabulous.
It is, no? Look at the shopping cart over here. It's full of different items over here. What do you say to that kishko over there from Busser?
My entire wife over there.
Oh, your entire wife likes to buy this? You have your anicle over here. Where are you from?
Lawrence, New York.
All the way from Lawrence, New York to Landau's in South Fallsburg. Wow, shout out to you. And look what he has in his pocket. Look. He comes here shopping and he sticks in his pocket skinny coated nut like that. It's an enjoyable shopping experience. I'll give that back to you. Sushi, alamina sushis, fish, tuna, salmon, side of salmon. A shavita kedeboy ich have. Look over Shabbos kodesh because I'm going to shavita do a side of salmon on the grill on the wooden board. Shout out to Busser. Busser, something else. Rabbi Yitzchak Hirsch. Get back what they take out do. Kuvot Shabbos Kodesh, the Kuvot Shabbos Kodesh, Kuvot Shabbos Kodesh, that's it. Kijk voor alle de midden kingelig do over here. Every type of kigel you can think of. Chickens. The kleine little onion kigelig jerky. The covered Shabbos Kodesh. The covered Shabbos Kodesh was?
Nein, bei der Pizza Department bist du schon gewesen?
Nein.
Ja, also bist du da rangegangen, das ist
Schmeckt
gemisst.
schon, du, darf nicht einmal hingehen. Schmeckt die Pizza. Ich halte bei der Fleisch, so I don't want to mix milk and Fleisch. Man, that's something else. Was sagst du?
Landau's is the best. Frisch, the shells in them fill, a variety. Hast von alle meine Ketchups, von den Mustards, von den
Ich
Coffees.
halte bei der Ketchup und der Mustard. Ich halte bei der Bucker, du. Kijk der Stücklich Bucker. Wer darf Ketchup mit dem Bucker, du? Gib der Booster Bucker over here, like der Boy. Der Meatpizza Geschmack, rinnendig. Zu Racks und der Sache geht out by Shabbos is done. Kevin, when it comes to the Sunday barbecue, you want to put this on the barbecue. Stell sich vor, das liegt auf der Marbleization, du. Kick off the grill, days, or the days, as a tomahawk steak. En ze gaan binden in de schoen, dat is de streffen nergens, nur een Bukkar. Gevra chicken schulen. Van de little sheet moet allemaal chicken instead of beef. Du hast dat chicken schulen, sesame chicken, beef chicken, farfel. You the yapchik du Gevra, le kuvet Shabbos koidisch, hast stickel yapchik. Overnight kigel schon gegangen, it's out. Is a paravachung van de andere soort little sheet, was only paravachung. En du hast van de echte gezinnige Jiden, a beef schoen, le kuvet Shabbos koidisch. Wo zoekst du auf de schoen, du?
Beautiful. So shiny.
Kimt sie zu Usef,
Ja.
Gevra, jetzt gaan we zurück zu the early 1800s. De stickel van de store heißt savory. Kijk op de signs, du. Kijk op de... Is er van de Balshantiv Satin. Is allemaal do had a savory line. I said we're going back to the 1800s over here with you.
We sell all pickled, marinated, fermented items, all different type of flavors. Come in for free tasting and find out for yourself. Nee, size olives, ik vreeg dich. Eerste gezien dat ik große olives. Splitter pit, green tomatoes, hot spicy tomatoes, in-house fermented sauerkraut, sliced tomatoes, grape tomatoes, pickled turnip.
Ah, you finished? Gevra, savory here at Landau. Laat me voeren water doen in de oil. Kijk de breite oils, Gevra. We kunnen zitten in de oil en lekker de vloes. Kijk hoe clean het is. Geschmack, breit. Yo, 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 yo. Kijk, dat maar zingen zum Geschmack. Sie siehst du, Taam. Muss je lezen weiß, wenn stellt sich a store. Auch schon experience von Chestnut und Williamsburg. This is on store, this is on baby. I like that on energy in them. It's clean, it's shine. You can't go shopping and do with a ruhigkeit. You don't have to crash into other people, so you can't minutes to crash and do. It's a food via redel, give the smoothness from the carriage. I have hand bekommen a phone gerade von meinem Bruder Bruder. Chaim, who can I send a meat board? I want to send a meat board to a friend of mine upstate. Do in land, das kannst du bestellen a meat board and it's delivered to your person. So have it. Geschmack a meat board. Adarabe. Bread van Adarabe. The top in the line when it comes to dips. Kevin, it's come to Tunis. Make sure to pick up fast aid from your local store, Landau's Grocery. Make sure to have it with you. Once it comes to Tunis, you want to be stocked for the Tunis. Kevin, they're known to have the quickest delivery here in the Catskills. Finish schnellste. Landau's. Upstate Supermarket. Habt sich mit. Hey, Notary! Schick er auf a Stückel Machel dort. Aber a gitte. There we go. You're lucky, they're almost busted over there. Kevin, geendigt mit Landau's. On to the next. High Care Urgent Care, up the block, doing South Fallsburg. High Care, the ganze Welt kommt sie. Jeder kommt sich High Care. Lass mal gehen zum High Care. Kevin, in der du bei High Care umgekommen, lass mal anchecken zu der Doctor, the same doctor who's here every single day. Dr. Yitzi, how you doing?
Welcome to Chai of South Fallsburg.
Chai of South Fallsburg. I heard so much about this place. It is amazing to have an urgent care here in the center of South Fallsburg. Dr. Yitzi.
Yes.
10 years of experience.
So I've been working for 10 years. Most of my background is in emergency medicine and urgent care.
Wow. So you were in this line for 10 years, urgent care, pediatrics, geriatrics, you've seen it all.
We see all ages. I have also experience with the community. I work during the year in Williamsburg at Chai on Bedford Avenue.
So du kennst a bisschen Yiddish?
A bissel, yeah. Like a Kita Aleph Yiddish, I tell people. Okay, so we have a few exam rooms. Our first one is right here in the front. We have a total of 4 exam rooms, so we're able to handle a big volume, and our goal is to be able to get patients in and out as quickly as possible. Chaim, I want to show you our procedure room. We're hoping with Hashem's help that there aren't too many injuries, but we want to be prepared for it because the kids are running around outside during the summer. And in case anybody has a laceration, a cut, whether it's on the face or any other part of the body, for the most part, we can handle almost all of those.
Stitches given all times of the day?
From when we're open at 12, we're closed at 11. At any time you come in, we'll take care of you. All right, so Chaim, I want to show you one other feature that we have here at Chai, which is we have X-ray available.
Really? A X-ray room here.
Yes, we have a top of the line X-ray. We're gonna have a tech here every single day, Sunday through Motzei Shabbos.
Every part of the body X-ray?
So we could do an X-ray theoretically of anywhere. Most of the demand is going to be for extremity injuries, hands, feet, shoulders.
Actually, doctor, what's this machine here?
So this is an EKG machine, just to show some of the other capabilities that we have here.
Really? So you give a full workup?
Has a chest pain. There's a number of reasons why we would need to do an EKG.
Full yards.
We'll do everything we can to help you.
Wow. Let me ask you a question, doctor.
Sure.
It might be a little awkward question, but I'm going to ask it. You don't have to answer if you don't want. You treat, I'd say, majority of your patients are pediatrics.
Many patients are pediatric. Yeah, got a good mix.
Does it hurt you to stab a kid with a needle? Does it hurt you to stick that?
To give a stech.
To give a stech. Does it hurt you to throw culture, stick that thing all the way down? The kid is screaming. How do you as a doctor who every patient, you gotta either smack him with the needles, smack him with the stitch, smack him with the throw culture. How do you handle that?
I tell my patients this all the time, that the part of the job that I like the least is inflicting pain. Of course, sometimes it's necessary, but personally, it's a thing that it is difficult to do, but there are different techniques that you could use to minimize pain. So just one obvious example is when you're doing a strep test. So it's very important that you get a really good swab so you have a good sample. But you could be in there for several seconds and it causes a lot of discomfort and pain. Or if you have the right technique, you can be in and out of there right away, and it's going to be less pain for the patient.
So you think you have that technique that you're in and out?
Yeah, absolutely.
I should have came to you all my years.
Oh, you want me to show you? I have a swab right here.
You got to swab me now?
Should we show it? Should we show your viewers?
I'll just tell you, when I grew up, I don't want to say who my doctor was, but it was about a Shmona Esrei. He stood there, whoa. I don't know what he was looking for, diamonds? He was just...
Maybe he found them.
Fishing.
You're a diamond.
And I was like, let's go, take it out already.
Oh, you want to see my technique? Okay, I'll show you.
Is it worth it, guys? I guess. Like...
So we have a cotton swab. This is what I'll tell a lot of people. Okay, give me a ah. Sometimes I can't see the back of the throat, so I'll tell people go with the little chazonis. There's a chazonis.
That's
it.
it.
The whole thing. That's all we needed. Absolutely.
Wow, can we redo all my swabs from when I was a little kid?
Let's hit the time machine. Let's go.
You're amazing, doctor.
My pleasure. Chaim, before you go, maybe we should check your vitals and see, you give a little checkup and see how you're doing. Maybe take your weight.
Vitals? Okay. That machine I like to stay away from.
Oh, really? You have issues with the scale? I hear. Well, there are a lot of people that are participating in weight loss programs now. And Chai, we're actually developing a weight loss program, which we're looking forward to launch. We don't have a launch date yet, but we're looking forward to that. But anybody who's on a weight loss program who has either needs symptom relief, or if they need a checkup, they need blood work or any kind of maintenance over the summer, if they don't have access to their primary care doctor, could come here and we could help them.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah, look forward to it.
Dr. Chai Urgent Care. The address is 5208 Main Street, Center, South Fallsburg. Looking forward to seeing you.
Have a healthy summer.
Amen.
Nice.
All right, Kevin, this is coming in Liberty. See the one and only Lemonade. Your store in Liberty. Lemonade, here we come. Moshe. Moshe, hast du Parkenspaß für mich, du? Ich will reingehen in the store. Kann reingehen, Moshe? Ja? Kevin, Aran. Bei Yisui. All right, Moshe, was hast du for the Kevin? I don't fit. We gotta make bigger the Moshe. Moshe, come in, Moshe. Moshe, das machen die Tiere echt, du Moshe. We can't. I don't fit. All right, Moshe, we have to leave the horse outside. Bin ich heran allein. Moshe, so ein bisschen wegen an Store, du.
Du hast halb du hast du mäßig Pizza, grab and go. Alle Sachen werden gemacht frisch auf dem Platz, Sandwiches, scrambled eggs, French fries, alle meine Calzones, alle meine Sachen.
Hast du noch Sushi?
Alle meine Sushi, warte so.
No way.
Beautiful, kick this one. Kick how shine this is.
It's a marbleized sample,
Beautiful sushi, fresh acai, fresh ice cream, fast alles. A full beautiful menu, alle meine drinks, gelato, boba, alle meine drinks die das, alles hast du. Produce du kommt von Harvest in Wilmersburg. Top quality produce. Top quality produce.
You don't minimize what is upstate.
Pink verkeerd. Menschen kommen aus upstate. Menschen wissen, sie dürfen gute Products. Sie wollen ja schleppen von der Stut, nicht schleppen von der Stut. Top quality.
Fully stocked.
Fully stocked, alle korb fruit, kind van Shabbos.
Barbecues.
Deze gaan we staan in de bakery, du hast de Babke Bakery. Rav Babke, wo suchst du, Tulli?
Tulli, Amanet. Wie ist Mr. Landau?
Dus doe dat, jongen. Doe zeggen eens. En dan zijn we doorgezet, alsof wie deze ken babke, en zijn we door alle milliging.
The famous babke.
Alle gitte millige gezegd.
I missed
de
this.
kraan, gitte melkcookies. Was de straan, gitte millige melkcookies. De refrigerator en zorg gitte wafer.
Amanet, wie kann man weg mit der Galles doen?
Alles okay, ja. Alles ist doch simpel Sache, als bei babke ist es geht. Das ist der scheine Player, einer will für Shabbos doch mittags, du gitte swirls, wafer cake, cheese babke. Cheese balls.
Nice. Gevre, crave sourdough. How could you forget? Give me the crunch cool. Schmeckt schon the crunch, the crack von der sourdough. Du hast the crustic, full aisles over here, shine aufgesetzt. Kijk de aisles du, shine, archove.
Stark, breite aisles, große aisles, Geschmack, lechtig, liftig.
What was the wagon do, Moshi?
This is for online orders.
Online orders?
Online orders.
The number?
Kannst du anrufen. Kannst du anrufen auch gut. Kannst du anrufen. Basically, the online orders limit is top-notch in online orders.
Was heißt?
The product is bestellt. The website is shine displayed.
Geht er auf Website, macht er full order.
Macht er full order.
Siehst du, was
Kies alles, de Preisen, de delivery, de selecta salad, wenn die willst es deliveren, man kommt es delivered.
Ich kann sogar eine Sache, dann Pictures auf der Website, das geht. Kick auf die Order.
Sie kommen heran, es ist keine Horror, wie viele Orders, wie viele Online-Orders sie kommt heran. Es ist nicht normal, der Amount von Numbers, wie viele Online sie kommt heran.
Okay, call noch dabei.
Du kannst herankommen, kannst e-mailen, kannst faxen, kannst texten, kannst alles tun. Weil du als Staff ein extra ausgestelltes System, ein extra Manager, extra Devs, nimmt Care, just von der Online. Du hast Mr. Saftig.
Mr. Saftig allein.
Wow.
I never saw you. I don't know. Did I see you once? Kennst du einen Move zurück?
Haben Sie gesehen upstairs? Haben Sie gesehen?
Saftig is
The name says it all.
Saftig.
Skimmt gala. Alle geheim, maar dat shine, viele Shabbos menu. Maar morgen te vrienden als je gewoon is, doe je weet hoe het aan. En zijn we ready van mijn gomma, doe. Alle gitte Sachen, kijk erover.
Kijk die jerky doen.
Is zaftig, ein Wort, is zaftig.
Ze is zaftig, Gevre.
Wat kijk in hem tjoen, wow. Kijk wat er gaat voor. De fleischelijk met alle gitte Sachen, kanijn horen.
Gevre!
Komt eraan, enjoy it.
Und dann spielen ein bisschen Wallis, du Walli auch. Muss ich auch, schmeckt die ganze Zeit a Popcorn schmeck. Jetzt sehe ich es. Die legst das daran nicht von der Popcorn, von der Schmeck.
Gut, so gut, a ganzen Tag. A ganzen Tag Popcorn.
Popcorn. Nice.
Crust, es ist crunchy. Es ist Geschmack.
Wow.
Nicht wenig gesalzen. Es ist perfect balance.
How do you enjoy popping all day?
The smell makes me want and more.
Die erste Sache?
Whenever the boss is not around.
Wenn der Boss nicht durchhabt, dann hat er ihn mehr.
Exactly.
Popcorn, you want some? Gevre, liked the oil. Oh, Zeit von Kimmen, der erste Kernels. Reiches Gedieme. Wow. Moshi reißt rein, Moshi. Gevre, jeder kennt die famous Schmukunde-Masse. Wo der Fisch will daheim kommen zu mich auf Shabbos. Der Fisch will sicher reinkommen zu mich. Guck dir Tuna, Lachs, Sable. Wer gedenkt Sable? Uns kleine Kinder bei der Bristen gewinnt Sable. Hand schon nicht du kannst sagen Sable. Oh! Moishe! Wo ist denn alles? Sie macht Shows. Lekuvit Shabbos Koidisch. Jeder Mensch, wo sagt, Fisch soll reißen, Moishe. Ich habe merkt du Sable, du.
Na, Sable ist sehr gut. Ich habe ein Special Sable, wo das ist kuschel. Sable hat sehr das ja, es ist nicht du, was hat das auch werden, weil Buch Hashem ist am gute Sable. Das Buch ist Tanopal, Tanopal ist Froh, es haben alle gute Schöder, frische Sachen.
Kann ich Fisch mit Bettbatten,
ja,
Fisch mit Lebendig.
Fisch Lebendig, es haben du Regular Salmon, Baby Salmon, Scottish Salmon, King Salmon, Whitefish, Tuna, Lachs, Sable. Fisch auf Lande, Kimei, du, Lekuvit Shabbos, haben wir alle meine Fisch, gekochte Fisch, sugar-free, gefüllte Fisch, white fish, Moroccan salmon, sweet and sour, smoked tuna, seared, cured tuna, lachs,
Kotchen you auch von my official.
Catching you auch. What did that?
What man darf do?
Yeah, my arm at the same.
Moshi, what a pleasure. What's the phone number? I don't even a phone order.
Zijn phone number is 845-218-1244. Email is orders met een S at lemonadesupermarket.com.
Nice.
And the website, of course, lemonadekoshersupermarket.com.
Shout out to Bamboo Farm for giving me this beautiful horse. If you want to ride on a horse, reach out to Bamboo Farm. The best. Oh, VZs. Do you laugh when people say a car has horsepower? Are zebras just horses in pajamas? Kevin, do Cameroon in Woodridge, Center 1. First of all, you have over here Center 1 Judaica. Do Cameroon see Buy Right. Bachram, get over here, Bachram. Let me ask you guys are here at Buy Right. Why is Buy Right the most awesome place you guys shop at?
It's an amazing store. It's open the whole year for us, and it's great.
Stuff. You think my horse will enjoy it in there?
Yeah, definitely. Probably.
Should we try to get the horse in the store? Before that, how about we race each other? If you guys win me on the horse or the race, you guys can buy anything you want. Fill up a shopping cart of yourself. You guys are down? You guys are down? All right, challenge is on. We're gonna have a race from one side of the parking lot to the other. If you guys win me on the horse, you get to fill up your shopping cart, all right? Who's in? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my. Kevin Lamassa, my horse, I'm disappointed. He ran way too slow. He got to lose some weight. We put the slender shot. I'm going to out of it. All right, so you guys won the race. You guys have 90 seconds to fill up your wagons. Whatever you get, you keep. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see where they're going. Let's see where they're going. He's going for the fish. Easy, easy, easy on the meat, easy on the meat. You have 30 seconds left. Easy on the meat. Oh my, oh my. Oh my. Soda, soda, it's a Bucharest Farmer. Soda, soda. Hey, Bucharest in the wagon. Bucharest Thomas. Bucharest Thomas, detergent. Bucharest. Tom, what's your biggest taiva here? Meat. What's with you? Doritos. All right, guys. Okay. What do you guys? You have to get the whole store over here. This is ridiculous. Okay, that's it. I said whatever fits your wagon. This is not cool. Okay, that's it. Finish. Go. What? Are you guys out of your mind? Oshreich. You guys are having a whole winter's man Oshreich's cookies. You guys are crazy. All right, time up. What? Oshreich's, okay, but Rachmanis. Where's Rachmanis? What are you gonna do with all these cookies?
I'll eat them.
Oh boy. I feel bad for your mishkiach.
Me too.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna play my famous yes-no game. The winner gets the extra 30 seconds. You see the line right over here? Okay, you have to jump when I say yes to this side, when I say no to this side, okay? Feet have to be together the whole time. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. No. What are you? Whoa. Let's redo it one more time. Your ab butts, okay? Hold the rest. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Good try. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Yes. Oh! And they're all out. I got to keep the 30 seconds to myself. Good try, guys. Good try, guys. Good try. All right. What do you guys say about the matzah here?
It was very good.
Guys, Mishkiach's going? Yeah. Get out of here, guys. Go. Leave the wagons here. Just go. No, don't take the meat. Leave the meat. Kevin, kijk op die Fleisch bij Greenfield's Meat. Laat me geen wazen. A deli roll. Mach du sandwiches jeden Tag. Geschmackige sandwiches. Meat sandwiches. Schnitzel sandwiches. De Booker do. Out of Greenfield alleine do. De Oilema do. Kijk de Fleisch zo pakt samen do. Hast du schon gesehen de Takeout do? Kijk wat de Takeout do. Beautiful, delicious. A ganze Woche do. A gitte Takeout. De Kovac Shabbos befragt. Kijk wat de selection do. Geschmack. What's this? What's this, amigo? What's this?
The smoked brisket.
Smoked brisket. This is not after. Come on. Befragt, wenn man kommt to a bakery, look over Shabbos Kodesh, Shlomi's Bakery over here, fully stocked. Alle cakes do, alle items do. Bochrim, which is the best item I can get by Shlomi's?
Bagel and eggs.
Bagel and egg. Ice coffee?
Ice coffees.
What do you say?
Ice coffee, yeah.
The ice coffee in Shlomi's is something to write home about?
Rogele.
Rogele, du bist Chassidische sicher. Die stammt, ja? Yeah. I knew you guys Chassidish over there. Sagt that Rogele is not a Litvak. All right, kick that fish do. Assis fish, delicious, geschmack. Kick that side and salmon. How you doing over there? How you doing? Assis sushi, geschmack, cured fish. I'm gonna stop over here. I'm gonna keep the cured fish. Kannst öffnen ein bisschen, das ist in the inside though. The jalapeno to shine, geschmack. I can't forget about in the acai, do. Kim? Give me, oh, you remember me? One minute, you work at Surto, no? Also machen wir ein acai bowl. Man kann ein bisschen acai do, ein bisschen nuts, mango, some pineapple, ein bisschen kiwi. Oh, acai, kid the boy. Acai. A little pomegranate seeds, a little topping, some chocolate, geschmack, rinnen dicke chocolate. Like on a little peanut butter. Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. Wer hat nicht die heiße peanut butter do? Aber sach peanut butter. I'm gonna this caramel, yeah? Little caramel. So schön sein, for the most this. Too much? Okay. It looks too much. So chocolate chips. Get back. Come on, I can't show up durch. Zerint von aller Seiten. Mit Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. Look who's here. Come here. You ever saw such a acai? Go put your spoon in. Taste it.
Puri gato adeno yelhene melch oilam. Shahako nie bezburoi.
What do you say to my acai?
Allein gemacht?
Allein gemacht.
How do you know how to do all those?
Don't ask questions. Allein gemacht.
I think we should have a game.
We just finished about 6 games in the store. Now you come and ask for a game.
What toppings you put in?
Whoever can guess, new you?
It's like the carnival game.
All right, you can finish it. You're good. Just wash your fingers over there. It's a little dirty. Make sure before you come home you wipe it off. L'chaim. Kevin, do it with the manager, Matt. Inside Matt, is do a ganz you, right? All year long. He's here to serve the community. Matt, show me the popcorn here. You guys are known for that.
Popcorn guy's not here yet. He's not here.
Oh, the popcorn guy's not here now. Kevin, you have 3 popcorn machines to keep up with the demand. Every single day, these guys pop popcorn here. Literally, guys come from all over the whole entire country for their popcorn. Tell me, where's Yankulu?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
He didn't come this year?
I don't know. I'm looking out for him.
Yankelu's on the furniture here.
Exactly.
Yankel, if you see this video, make sure you're here and you say hello to Matt. We're waiting for you here in Bayreuth. 10 cashiers. They're all there waiting for you, so it goes as smooth as possible. Let's go outside a minute. Huge parking lot. Full parking lot over here outside. So genicken noch parking, so genicken noch Sachen zu kaufen outside. Agita nach, Hevre.